In this real review of Christmas Commission Bundle 2021, launching December 12th, 2021 on Warrior Plus, from the desk of $1 Million Super Affiliate and Vendor Glynn Kosky, I want to talk a little bit about what Christmas Commission Bundle is and then give you my opinion based upon my review of the few of the products that are included in the Commission Bundle. The idea is Glynn is going to sell you all of the old products that he sold over the year here in this Christmas bundle and giving you a huge discount. And here are all the apps: New Year Profit Bot, Wi-Fi Profit System, Levels, Embassy, Traffic Beast, Energize, Neo Commissions, Auto Profit Links, Commission Pages, Passive Profit Funnels, 1K Daily System, DFY Profit Funnels, Auto Profit Sites, 10X Profit Sites, Bid Commissions. As you can see, and I'll leave up here in the right-hand corner, these are 4 of the products from Glynn Kosky that I was able to review last year. And if you watch, and you really should watch each one of these in this playlist to really understand if what you're getting in the Christmas Commission Bundle is really worth your time and your money. When it comes to time, I mean the time it's going to take you to go through each one of these 15 products, and if you're really going to get any return on that investment of time. And of course, when I say money, I talk about getting into this funnel. And if you were to spend all the money across this funnel, $17, $67, $97, $97, $67, $67, $197, even if you were to take the down sells, you're still going to be in the range of $300 to $400 by the time you finish purchasing the Christmas bundle. And then you're going to have 15 softwares and trainings that you're going to have to go through to see if any of these apps can actually help you in your business. In my opinion, if you spend your time watching the 4 reviews that I did on some Glynn Kosky products from WarriorPlus, here in 2021, you're going to have a better idea of that. So take a little time, go through these reviews in the playlist and the cards, also in the link in the description. And now I want to talk about why I think Glynn Kosky and WarriorPlus both are going to get coal in their stocking, because 2021 Christmas Commission Bundle, the sales page, has a few problems, to include one of the best-selling software products. And the first problem that you have here is the testimonials. Newbies and marketers of all levels have enjoyed success with these products. Take a look at this photo of Mike Perry, and then take a look at this photo of Mike Perry, supposedly Mike Perry, over on Pinterest in this preacher meme. Again, back to Mike Perry, you can see that's the exact same photo. This is a fake, false testimonial. Shame on Glynn Kosky, shame on WarriorPlus for allowing this to happen. Kelly Lewis, 7 things rich people pay $1 million for. There is Kelly Lewis, except this is a photo by Andrew Wise that's available freely on Unsplash. Again, Kelly Lewis here on the Christmas Bundle Commissions, or the Christmas Commission Bundle. Again, shame on you, Glynn Kosky and WarriorPlus, for doing this and allowing this. You're definitely getting coal in your stocking. Next up, Energize, the world's first high-ticket elite traffic app for 2021. One of the apps you get in the bundle. Regular price, $22.95 with a strike through, meaning you get this as part of the bundle. Let's focus on the regular price of $22.95. On the sales page of Energize, scroll down and grab Energize and Save Now. Still on sale for $17. The price never changed from the launch. Of course, when you watch the review, you'll see that this price was the price during the launch. This is a fake, false scarcity item here, this countdown timer. Scroll off the page, it gets even better. Wait, claim $4 off, get it for $13. Here on the Christmas Commission Bundle Energize, they're telling you the regular price is $22.95, but wait, it gets even better. Take a look at the URL bar, energize-app.com/user. Reload that page. AVG Web Shield Alert, multiple threats secured, see details. EnergizeApp.com, Web Shield, threat blocked, 1 of 16, threats blocked from Energize-app.com. So there's definitely something wrong with Energize app. It's not even working. Or if you ignore these security threats, access Energize app at your own risk. So my opinion, again, 2021 Christmas Commission Bundle, hard pass, thumbs down. Have a Merry Christmas. And if you're interested in starting a real successful online business using affiliate marketing in 2022, Check out the link in the description for free training that shows you exactly what you need to do step by step. It's my #1 recommendation to setting up a real business, getting started, and finding success again in 2022. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll talk to you later. Bye.